So dear students, in this video we will solve the question for mass percentage of the benzene and carbon tetrachloride. If 22 gram of the benzene is dissolved in 122 gram of carbon tetrachloride, in this question we have to solve this question for mass percentage of two component, mass percentage of benzene and mass percentage of carbon tetrachloride from the mass of these two components. So what is the formula of mass percentage? Mass percentage of a component is equal to mass of the component divided by total mass of the solution multiplied by the 100, or the mass percentage is equal to, we can say it as the mass percentage divided by 100 is equal to mass of the component upon total mass of the solution. So mass percentage of benzene is equal to mass of the benzene divided by mass of the benzene plus mass of carbon tetrachloride, or mass percentage of the solute is equal to mass of the mass percentage of the solute is equal to mass of the solute upon total mass of the solution, इनकी solute plus solvent. So mass of benzene is equal to 20 and mass of the solution is equal to solute plus solvent, and it is equal to 144. So multiplying by 100, percentage is equal to out of 100. So out of 100 is equal to this. So 100 minus, we can say it as 100 minus 15.27 is equal to mass percentage of carbon tetrachloride, or in the similar way we can calculate for the other. Mass of the carbon tetrachloride upon total mass of the solution, mass of carbon tetrachloride upon mass of the solution multiplied by 100. So it is in the question 122 divided by 144, 144 into 100. So it comes out 84.72, or 100 minus 15.27, it comes out same value. Thank you. I hope it is clear to you.